What if Earth lost its atmosphere? The very air we breathe, the shield that protects us from cosmic harm, gone in an instant. What would happen to life as we know it? Let's explore this fascinating and somewhat terrifying scenario. Earth's atmosphere is more than just a mix of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. It's a vital layer that allows life to thrive. It regulates temperature, protects us from harmful solar radiation, and provides the air we breathe. But if we suddenly lost it, the consequences would be catastrophic. First things first, without an atmosphere, there's no oxygen to breathe. All humans, animals, and most plants would suffocate within minutes. Cities would fall silent, the hum of life replaced by a haunting stillness. Our atmosphere also acts as a protective barrier. It burns up meteoroids before they reach the ground. Without it, Earth would be constantly struck by meteors, from tiny rocks to larger ones capable of devastating entire regions. The sun's radiation would become an immediate threat. The ozone layer, part of our atmosphere, blocks harmful ultraviolet rays. Without it, UV radiation would cause severe burns and genetic damage to any exposed organisms. And that's not all. During the day, Earth's surface would heat up uncontrollably, while at night it would plummet to freezing temperatures. The lack of atmospheric insulation would make life impossible for most species. Over time, Earth's water sources would face a grim fate. Without atmospheric pressure, liquid water would boil away even at room temperature. Oceans, rivers, and lakes would evaporate and escape into space, leaving Earth as dry as Mars. Without water or air, Earth would become a lifeless desert, eerily resembling our red neighbor Mars. The biosphere would collapse and Earth's surface would erode under the relentless impact of solar winds. You might wonder, could this really happen? Well, it's not impossible. Scientists believe Mars lost its atmosphere due to its weak magnetic field. Without a strong magnetic field to deflect solar winds, charged particles from the sun stripped Mars of its atmospheric gases over millions of years. Earth, however, is protected by a robust magnetic field generated by its molten core. Thankfully, such an event is unlikely to occur naturally on Earth in the near future. But human activities like deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions are slowly altering our atmosphere. While these changes won't cause the complete loss of the atmosphere, they do impact its composition and our climate. And so, what can we do? To preserve our planet, we need to understand the delicate balance that sustains our atmosphere. This involves reducing pollution, embracing renewable energy, and protecting our forests and oceans, which act as natural carbon sinks. Every action counts. By working together, we can ensure that Earth's atmosphere remains intact, shielding and nurturing life for generations to come. Our atmosphere is a gift, one we must cherish and protect. Losing it would mean the end of life as we know it. But as long as we act with care and responsibility, this blue planet can continue to be our home. So let's protect it, for ourselves and for the future. Super, what would you do to help protect Earth's atmosphere? Share your thoughts in the comments below.